My students, how are you? Prep 2. Today we'll solve from المعاصر book important questions on Unit 3 Geometric. First question. First, multiple choice questions. Number 1. If EB congruent XY, the line segment EB congruent segment XY, then EB difference XY equal what? Difference between equal 0 because they are equivalent. You must choose letter D. Number 2. Measure of angle X, or the angle x congruent angle y, and x complements angle y. Complements meaning the sum of them equal 90 degree. Then measure of angle x equal 45. It's meaning measure of angle x plus measure angle y is 90. We can divide it 90 by 2 equal 45. And the answer will be 45. The measure of each one equal 45 degree. Because they are complementary angles. Okay, it shows letter E. Next question number 3. ABCD is square, then AC equal. We know square, all sides are equal in length and two diagonal perpendicular and equal in length. We have ABCD. AB line segment and AC diagonal. Diagonal here, AC equivalent to BD. They are equal to. Then the line segment AC congruent line segment BD. They are congruent. Choose BD. Letter B. Okay, next question. If ML congruent SR, then if we divided line segment ML by SR, it will be 1 because they are equivalent in the length. Number 5. If line segment AB congruent segment CD, AB was 5 centimeters, then twice AB plus twice CD equal, then we can write 2 times the length of AB 5 plus 2 product by the length of CD 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Then the answer here will be 20. Choose letter A. Number 6. If triangle ABC congruent triangle X, Y, and Z, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equal 100. Then measure of angle Z equal. Okay. Angle Z here congruent to angle C. They are equivalent in the measure. Then we can find the measure of angle C first in this triangle ABC. He gives us this information. Triangle ABC give me the sum of angle A and angle B was 110. Then the measure of angle C 180 subtracted by 110 equal 70 degree. Then the answer about measure of angle C will be 70 degree. Then angle C equivalent to angle Z. Look at here. C equal Z is the measure. Then angle Z also 70 degree. With letter C. Number 7. If polygon ABCD equivalent or congruent to triangle also LMNO, the line segment NO. Look at here. NO. Look at here. NO equivalent to what? CD. CD. Corresponding angles. Okay. Corresponding sides. CD. Next question. The given figure triangle ABC congruent triangle ACD, and he gave us AD length 5 cm and the perimeter of its shape ADC equals 30 centimeters. Then the perimeter of triangle ABD equal what? We can divide it 30 by 2 equal 15. Then AB plus BD plus CD plus EA, sum of them all side are 30 divided by 2 is 15. And AB plus BD is equal 15 centimeter. 15 plus 5 is 20. Then the perimeter will be 20. Okay, I will explain again here to understand the steps. Look at here with me. We have triangle. Look at here. This triangle. I will draw this triangle up and down. They are congruent. Two triangle congruent. Side ligament here 5 centimeter, and also this side plus this side it will be 15 because this side and this side also sum of them together 30. He gave us information. The perimeter was 30. Then 30 divided by 2 equal 15 because they are congruent. This two side ligament here 15 also, and this two side length is 15. This and this. Then AP plus PD equal 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. And the perimeter will be 20. Okay. Next question. Number 9. Opposite figure Measure of angle CAD equal. We want to find CAD, this angle. Okay. We have triangle. Congruent triangle. We have three sides, equivalent three sides is the third condition. Like this triangle first. Congruent down. This triangle down. Here they are congruent. Angle D, angle C, A, B. The angle here 35. This angle will be 35 equivalent. This 95. This angle will be 95. We can find the measure of angle here A. You want to find angle CAB. This angle we can find 180 subtract by 95 plus 35. Right, 180 subtract by 5 plus 5 10 0 and carry up 1 4 plus 9 13. The difference between them equal 50 degree. The answer will be 50 degree. Next question. Number 10. If triangle ABC is right angle triangle at B equals 7 cm, C 24 cm, then AC equal. We have right angle triangle. Look at here. At B, we have ABC. AB 7 cm and BC 24 cm. Then AC equal. We can write 7 power 2 plus 24 power 2 and then find square root of the answer. Look at here. 24 power 2 plus 7 power 2 equals 625 and then find square root of the answer. Equal 25. Then EC equal 25 centimeter from Pythagoras theorem. Number 11. It's a given figure here. You want to find the length AP. We can find from Pythagoras theorem. Right, AP power 2 equivalent to AC power 2 subtract from CP power 2. Okay, right, C power 2 subtract by AC power 2. CP power 2, 8 times 8, 64. Subtract by 4 power 2 equals 16. 14 minus 6 equal 8. 5 minus 1 is 4, 48. Then AP square root of 48. 16 times 3, it will be 4 root 3. The answer will be 4 root 3. Choose letter A. Example number 12. The area of triangle equal. We know the area of triangle equal half times base times height. Okay. We have triangle APC. Right angle triangle at P. We have this side length 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter. This side length will be 8 centimeter from Pythagoras. 10 power 2, 100. 100 subtract by 6 power 2, 36. The difference between them 64. Square root of 64 equal 8 centimeters. In the area equal half product by base product by height. Half of 8, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. In the area will be 24 square centimeter. Next question. In triangle, if we have AB power 2 equal AC power 2 plus BC power 2, then the measure of angle C equal 90 degree because AB here will be hypotenuse. Then measure of angle C is 90 degree. Next question. In triangle XYZ, XY power 2 equal YZ power 2 subtract by XZ power 2, measure of angle X equal. We have YZ here, it will be hypotenuse. Okay, Y, Z is hypotenuse, and we have X. Then the measure of angle X equal 90 because YZ power 2 equal XY power 2 plus XZ power 2. Then it will be right angle. Number 15. In triangle ABC, we have ABC, C, the measure of angle B equal. We can find the type of triangle by right first side, the greatest side power 2, 17 power 2, AC power 2, and comparing between AC power 2 and two sides other P power 2 plus BC power 2. We have EC was 17, right? 17 power 2 equal 289. And AB power 2, AB 15, 15 power 2, 225. Okay. And BC was 8 power 2, 64. We can collect together 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 2 8, and right 2. They are equivalent. Then we have right angle triangle. We have AC will be hypotenuse and B will be right. The angle B will be right. Okay, choose letter B. Next question, number 16. Which was the following number represents the length of sides right angle triangle? What is the answer here? Look at with me about question letter B. We have 26 power 2 and 24 power 2 plus 10 power 2. 26 power 2 equal 676. 24 power 2 plus 100 power 2 plus 10 power 2 equals 676. They are equivalent. Then choose letter B. The answer will be letter B. Next question. The type of triangle whose side length 8, 10, 7 is what? We can write 10 power 2 and combine between 10 power 2 and 8 power 2 plus 7 power 2. 10 power 2 it will be 100. 8 power 2 64 and 7 power 2 49. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3 and carry up 1. 5 plus 6 11. Then this triangle will be an acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Okay, choose acute letter E, because 10 power 2 100, 8 power 2 64, 64 plus 49. Okay, 9 plus 4 13, 3 and carry up 1, 5 plus 6 11. Then 113 greater than 100, we called it acute angle triangle. Next question. BC obtuse angle triangle at P like this. Okay, and he gave me AB was 14 centimeter. Okay, the side length here was 14 centimeter, and BC 10 centimeter. Then the length of EC will be equal what? Okay, he won't find the greatest side. The greatest side here will be what? We have A, BC. BC was 10 centimeter and AP was 14 centimeter. Then what is the length of EC to be as a sine triangle convert to obtuse angle triangle? We must write EC power 2 greater than EP power 2 plus C power 2. We must write EC power 2 greater than AB power 2 plus CP power 2. Then EC must be 22. 22 power 2 greater than AP power 2 100. We have 100 plus 14 power 2 equal 296. Okay, and EC power 2 22 power 2 equal 484, and 15 power 2 225. 16 power 2 265, less than this. Then we must choose 22. Okay, to get obtuse angle triangle. Next question, number 19. The given figure x will be equal what? We have line segment divided to 3 parts here. 1, 2, 3 divided. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. The line segment will be 4. Then from A to X we have 2 parts. 4 plus 4 equal 8. Then the length will be 8 centimeter. The given figure here, you want to find the length of AB. AB, where AB? AB here, we have AB for, we have 3 parts like this. We can add 3 plus 3 plus 3 to find the length from A to B. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 equal 9. And the answer here will be 9 centimeter. Choose letter A. The given figure here, he wants to find the ratio between AD to AB. AD 1 part. From A to B 3 parts, then the ratio will be 1 to 3 because we have 2 transversal about 3 sides parallel. Next question, he wants to find the length of BF. Look at here, BF here, where BF here. BF equivalent to what? From length, look at here, we have 3 parts. B D F H. Then from B to F equal to from D to H. The answer will be the H, letter D. Okay. The length of the mid segment of triangle equal what? Equal half third side, like this. In triangle we have triangle here like this. This mid segment, this line segment is mid segment because it's joined between the two midpoints in triangle. In the length of mid segments, half of the third sides. Half, choose letter B. Number 24, the given figure, this will be what? We have straight line going from the midpoint of CA and parallel to the base. Then this line segment or this ray bisect third side. Then it will bisect third side, and the length of x plus 2, it will be half of the base. Half of 12 equals 6. Then x will be 6 minus 2 is 4. The length here will be 4. It will be 4. Next question. Number 25. The given figure, he won't find the length of x. We know line segment joined between two midpoints, we called it mid segment. Then the line segment xz, it will be twice 8. It will be 16. Then we can write the equation 3x plus 1 equivalent to 16. And then solve this equation, write 16 minus 1, 15, and then divided by 3, the length will be 5. Then the value of x here, it will be 5. Next question. Number 26. In triangle ABC, we have EC was 16 centimeter. Okay, we'll draw this triangle. Look at here, we have triangle. He won't find the parameter of shape. Okay. This line segment ED, we called it midpoint, half of CP. And this part equals this part, okay? He give us BC 10. BC 10, it will be 5 centimeters because the midpoint. Then CF 10. And we have midpoints parallel to the base and equal half to base, and it will be equality also. Then we have to also 10 centimeter. And in C 16, 16 divided by 2 equal 8. This line segment 8, then the parameter equal 8 plus 10 plus 8 plus 10. It will be 8 plus 10, 16 times 2 is 32. Okay, and the parameter would be 32. Not 32, 18. And the answer 16, half of 16, 8, and we have 10, not 16 also. Again, this line segment CP 10, it will be 5, and this 5. And AC was 16, it will be 8. Then we write 8 plus 5 times 2, 13 times 2 is 26 centimeter. The answer will be 26 centimeter. Okay, next question. The number of medians in a triangle 3. Any triangle has 3 medians. The line segment like A, D, we called it the median. The median is a line segment joined between the vertex and the half of the midpoint of opposite sides. Joined from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite sides. Then we have 3 medians in a triangle. The centroid of triangle divides each median into 1 to 2 from the base. We called it, this point we called it centroid. Point 1, 2. The ratio will be 1, 2. Okay, this point we called it what? Centroid. So divided the median from base 1 to 2. Choose letter B. The centroid of triangle divide each medians from the vertex 2 to 1. But he give answer 10. 10 to what? 10 to 5. Means the answer here will be 5 because 10 twice what? Twice 5. From vertex like this. We have median and here is the point centroid divided 2 and 1. If this line segment was 10, this line segment will be 5. The ratio will be 10 to 5. If AD is the median of triangle, we have here triangle here and ED the median. M is the centroid point here. Then EM equivalent. What is the ratio between EM and AD, we have here 2 parts and 1 part. Then from A to M, 2 parts, and A to D, 3 parts. It will be 2 over 3. Next question. If AD is the median of triangle C, and we have length 12 centimeter and M is centroid of triangles, then MD equal what? Okay, we have triangle here A, B, C, and AD is the median with this triangle, and M is the midpoint or centroid. M here is centroid of triangle. He want to find what? He give us its length AD was 12 centimeter. He want to find the length MD. Okay, then MD, what is the relation between MD and AD? MD has 1 part and AD 3 parts. Then MD, it will be third of length AD. The length AD was 12. The length AD was 12. Third times 12 is 4 centimeter. The length here 4 centimeter. Next question. It's a given figure the parameter of AMD equal. You want to find the length or the parameter of AMD. Okay. Look at with me steps here. I will explain here. Okay. We have triangle like this. Is triangle here, and we have the median. This median, and we have also median intersect at point me centroid. Okay, and this line 8 centimeter. This line segment will be 4 centimeter. This part, the half of this part. And we have 10 centimeter, this line segment 5 centimeter. The base here 3 centimeter is 6 centimeter here. In the parameter 6 plus 5 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. In the parameter it will be 15 centimeter. Next example, the length of median drawing from the right angle triangle equal half to hypotenuse. We call this the median in right angle triangle, half of hypotenuse. Half. Choose letter A. 34. ED equal 5 centimeter. And BD is the median. Then BD half of hypotenuse, it will be 5 centimeter also. It will be half of the median. It will be 5 centimeter. Number 35. It's a given figure. Centroid in the triangle. We have right angle triangle and the median. Point M is centroid. We have here 8 centimeter. This line segment will be 4 centimeter. Then the median will be 12 centimeter. 12 half of 24. Then EC will be 24 centimeter. Next question. Number 36. The basal angles and isosceles triangle are. Number 36. The base angles of isosceles triangle. We have isosceles triangle. We have 2 bases are equal in length. They are congruent. They are congruent. It shows letter C. Question 35. In triangle ABC, if AB equal AC and measure of angle A 58, then measure of angle C equal what? We have AC. ABC triangle here, AB equal AC and measure of angle 58 degree. We can find the measure of angle C. We can write 180 subtract by 58 and then divided by 2 to find the measure of angle C in the base. 180 subtract by 58 and then divided by 2. The answer will be 61. Choose letter D. Number 38. In STR triangle, ST equal SR, measure of angle T 72, measure of angle R equal what? We have triangle STR. ST equal SR. T equal 72 degree. Then the measure of angle R will be also 72 degree. Choose letter A. Next question, 39. In triangle XYZ, if XY equal XZ, measure of angle Z equals 64, then measure of angle X equal. We have triangle xy equal xz, xy equal xz, they are equal. Measure of angle z 64. Then angle y will be 64 also. He won't find measure of angle x. You can write 180 subtract by 64 plus 64. The result will be 52. 52 degree. Question number 40. You won't find the measure of angle x. We have here a isosceles triangle. In two pieces are equality. We have 3x plus 26 equivalent to 6x minus 13. We can subtract 3x from 6x and write 26 plus 13. 6x minus 3x equals 3x equal 3 plus 6 9, 2 plus 1 3, and then divided by 3. Then x equals 3 divided by 3 1, 9 divided by 3 equal 3. Then the value of x will be 13. Next question. BC is isosceles triangle. ABC. Okay, measure of angle A was 100. Its meaning the vertex will be 100. Why? Because in any isosceles triangle or obtuse triangle, about isosceles triangles, the measure of vertex never about the base never convert to obtuse. Okay, the measure of vertex only. The vertex here may be right, may be obtuse, may be acute, but the base we can't draw a triangle by two angles in the base obtuse. Okay, so the vertex will be 100, and the vertex here will be A. We have ABC. Measure angle of B equal measure of angle C equal 180 subtract by 100 divided by 2. Result will be 180 divided 180. 180 subtract 100 equal 80 divided by 2 equal 40 degree. Question number 42. XYZ right angle triangle at Y. And XY equal YZ. What is the measure of angle X? X would be 45 degree. Right angle triangle, the measure of two angles, the base equality. 180 subtract 90 divided by 2, it will be 45. We have isosceles triangle, then let's see here about 5a minus 1 equivalent to 9. We have isosceles triangles. This side length equals side length because two bases equality. Then 5a minus 1 equal 9. Then 5a equal 9 plus 1, 10. We can divide it by 5. Then the value of a equal 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Then a equal 2. Next question. Number 44. Find the parameter of triangle ABC. We have isosceles triangle, and the angle of the base 60 will be converted from isosceles to equilateral triangle. Any isosceles triangle has angle 60 degrees and all angles will be equality. 60, it will be 60 and it will be 60. All sides are equal in length and all angles equal in the measure. Then we can find the length about each side by right 3x equivalent to 2x plus 7. 3x minus 2x equal x. Then x will be 7. Okay, then side length here 3x. 3 times 7 is 21. Then we have three sides equivalent, each one of them 21. Then the parameter equal 21 times 3. 3 times 1 equal 3 and 2 times 3 equals 6. Then the result will be 63. Question. Measure of exterior angle of an equilateral triangle equal what? We have equilateral triangle like this. Exterior is 60, it will be 120 degree. The exterior angle, it will be 120 degree. Now we can find the measure of angle x. We have here equilateral triangle. All angles are equal in measure. Then 3x, it will be equals 60. Then the value of x will be 20 degree. Next question. The given figure, he won't find measure of angle y. Okay, first step, to find measure of angle y, first you must find the measure of angle here behind it to supplementary it, because they are supplementary angles. We have 38 up. We can write 180 subtract by 3080 and then divided by 2 to find angle two bases, because we have isosceles triangle. Write 180 subtract by 38 and then the answer divided by 2. This is the measure of the base 71. Then write 180 subtract by 71 to find the result. 10 minus 1 9 and 7 minus 7, then the result will be 109. Choose letter C. Next question, number 48. In triangle ABC we have isosceles triangle. We have AB equal AC, and the ratio between measure of angle A and angle P will be 1 to 4. It's meaning A will be X and B will be 4X. He gave me the ratio between A to B 1 to 4, angle A and angle B. Then we have X and 4X. Then the measure of angle base here will be 4X also. Why? Because we have isosceles triangle. In the measure of two angles in the base will be equality, 4X and 4X. Then we can write X plus 4X plus 4X equal 180. Then X plus 1 plus 4 5 plus 4 9 9X equal 180, and then we can divide it by 9. Then X will be 180 divided by 9 equal 20 degree. Next question. The number of axes of symmetry of the isosceles triangle, it will be 0. Isosceles scalene triangle 0. Like this, it will be equilateral. We have 3 line axis symmetry, and scalene like this 0. We haven't line axis symmetry. What about line axis symmetry? It's meaning straight line divided the triangle into triangle are congruent. But scalene we haven't any line symmetry, 0. Okay. And the number of axis symmetry of isosceles triangle will be 1. Isosceles like this, we have 1 line axis symmetry. It will be perpendicular to the base and the vertex and bisect the base also. The next question, number 51. Number of axes of symmetry of equilateral triangle equal 3. Equilateral triangle, meaning all sides are equal. Then we have 3 axes of symmetry of equilateral triangle. Number 52. Measure of angle C, we can find it. This triangle. We have A, D, and here C and B. D in the middle, and we have equivalent here. They have a triangle. This angle was 25 degree. Then AD, look at here, ED, we called it what? We called it bisect the median. The median in isosceles triangle, it will be bisect the vertex and perpendicular to the base. Then this angle equivalent this angle, and we have 25. And the measure of angle C, we can find it for this triangle, right angle triangle, right? 180 subtracted by 25 plus 90. 180 subtracted by sum of them, 10 minus 5 5 and 7 minus 1 6. The result will be 65 degree. Next question. In the given figure, BC equal, we have also here isosceles triangle and bisect. DA bisect to the vertex, so DA will be bisect the base and perpendicular to it. Then AD will be perpendicular to the base and bisect it. Okay, we have 6 centimeters. This will be 6 centimeters also. Then PC, it will be 12 centimeters. If B belong to axis symmetry of B, we have AB line segment, and we have axis symmetry and the point D pulling it. Then DA equal to DB. DA equal to DB. They are equivalent. Then the difference between them equals 0. The DA subtracted by DB equals 0. The answer here is 0. Next question. If triangle ABC has one axis of symmetry, it's meaning what? It's meaning it will be isosceles triangle. We called it what? Isosceles triangle. Why? Because tell us in the example, this triangle has one axis symmetry. It will be isosceles. And the measure of angle 90 about P. and we have here RC, then we can find the measure of angle here equal 180 subtract by 90 divided by 2, it will be 45 degree. Next question, 56. If triangle ABC has one axis symmetry like this, right angle triangle at P, and AP 5 centimeter. AB was 5 centimeter. Okay. Look at here. AB was 5 centimeter. Like this. And measure of angle B 90. He wants to find the length of AC. Okay, this 5 centimeter has one axis symmetry. It's meaning isosceles. Isosceles triangle. It will be 5 centimeter, and this will be 5 centimeter because he has one axis symmetry. We can find CB from Pythagoras theorem. Right, AB power 2 plus BC power 2, and then find the square root. Then EC equal square root of 5 power 2 plus 5 power 2 equals square root of 50. 25 plus 25, 50. Square root of 50, it will be what? We have 25 times 2. 5 power 2, 25 plus 50. Then the answer will be 5 root 2. 25 times 2, square root of 25, 5 root 2. Okay. The length here will be 5 root 2. So you must know these properties. If we have right angle triangle and isosceles, it will be x, and here x root 2. Okay, choose letter C. Next question. 57. The length of side opposite angles of 30 and right angle triangle equals is half the hypotenuse. If we have 30-60 triangle, the side opposite 30, it will be half to hypotenuse, half. Choose letter A. The given figure we can find, we have right angle triangle and angle 30, then the opposite side will be half of 20. It will be 10 centimeters. Then 5n equal 10, then the value of n in 10 divided by 5 is 2 centimeter. Next question. The given figure we have ABCD. ABC is equilateral triangle. All sides are equal in length, and the measure of each angle equals 60 degree. Okay, he has also the example AD perpendicular to the base, then it will be bisect to the vertex and bisect to the base. He gives us the length of P D 4 centimeter, this part 4 centimeter. Then the line segment will be 8 centimeter. In the perimeter, we have AD. Okay, we can find the length of AD. This side ligament will be 8 centimeter, and here 4. We can find this line segment from Pythagoras theorem. We have 8 centimeter, and the base here 4 centimeters. This side ligament we can write square root of 8 power 2 is 64 subtract by 4 power 2 is 16, and then find square root of the answer. 14 minus 6 equal 8, and 5 minus 1 4. The result will be 16 times 3, it will be 4 root 3. The answer here will be 4 root 3, because angle here is 60 and 30. 30 opposite 4 half of 8. Then we have 4, and it will be 4 root 3. The answer here will be 4 root 3. Okay, choose letter B. The answer 4 root 3. Next question. The length of hypotenuse equal twice 2 product by the length of side which opposite the other angle 30. Like this. If you have 30 degrees, then this hypotenuse. The hypotenuse twice the line segment of 30. Right, twice. Choose letter D. Next question. The length of EP equal in this right angle triangle here. We have APC, and we have D also. This angle 30, and we have 8 centimeters bisect. 8 half of 16. Then we have here 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Then EP will be what? It will be what? We have 30. 30, the AP half of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse was 16. Half of 16 equal 8 centimeters. Then AB will be 8 centimeter. Next question. The given figure. Perimeter of triangle ABD equal. We have right angle triangle here. ABC, and we have D lies in the midpoint. We have 30 centimeters, this side length 30, then EP will be 15 centimeter, and this side ligament all 15 also centimeter, and this will be 15. We can find the perimeter of triangle ABD. 15 plus 15 plus 15 will be 45 centimeter. Question 63. Triangle ABC, right angle triangle at C. Okay, and he gives us the ratio between angle C and A. C twice A. Angle C to angle A equal 2 to 1. C twice A. Then angle A 30. This angle will be here, right angle at B. Then angle C will be 60. Okay, angle C 60 and this 30. And he give us AC was 18 centimeter. Then BC equal. We have BC opposite to 30. The length of BC half of 18, it will be 9 centimeter. Next question, the measure of interior angles equilateral, it will be 360. Quadral. Okay, if we have quadral, it's meaning line 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadral, it's meaning polygon has 4 sides. The sum of interior angle n minus 2 times 180. Put n equal 4, then 4 minus 2 times 182 times 100 equal 360. Next question, the number of sides of convex polygon whose sum of measure of each interior 1800. Okay, he won't find the number of sides. Write n minus 2 times 180. They are equivalent 1800. It's the rule to find sum of interior angle. He gives us sum of interior angle 1800. You can simply divide it by 180, then the result here will be 10. So n minus 2 equal 10, then n will be 12. Next question. The measure of interior angle of regular octagon. We have pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Octagon, it's meaning polygon has 8 sides. 8 sides. Then we can raise the rule n minus 2 times 180 to find the total or the all angles in octagon. And we have regular, this regular. Okay, he won't find the measure of the interior angle of regular octagon. You can divide it by n. N minus 2 times 180 divided by n. Put n equal 8. Okay, then 8 minus 2. Why? Because we have a side octagon. It's meaning polygon has 8 sides. We have 8 minus 2 product by 180 divided by 8. Right, 6 times 180 equal divided by 8. The result will be 135 degree. Next question. Number of diagonals of decagon. Decagon, it's meaning 10. We have 10. Okay, what is the number of diagonal of decagon? Decagon has number of sides 10 sides. Then we can write n times n minus 3 divided by 2. This rule to find the number of diagonal in any polygon. Okay, n times n minus 3 divided by 2. In this example, n was 10. Put n here equal 10. Then the number of diagonal equal 10 product by 10 minus 3 equals 7 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 5 times 3, 5 times 7 equals 35. Then the number of diagonal of decagon it will be 35 diagonals. Okay. Next question. The measure of interior angle in regular polygon 108. Then its side it will be, we can write the number of sides by this rule 360 over 180 subtract by x degree. X degree here refers the measure of interior angle in polygon whose this polygon is regular. Okay, to find the outsides angles we have like this interior angle and this exterior angle. We can find the measure of exterior angle by write 180 subtract by the measure of interior angle and then divided 360 by it. Because if we know the measure of exterior angle in any polygon, we can write the number of sides by divide 360. Because the sum of exterior angle in any polygon equals 360, you can write 360 divided by the measure of exterior angle. Then we must know the exterior angle about this polygon. How? We can write 360 up and 180 here. subtract by the measure of angle in terror. If you write 180 subtract by 108 like this, okay, it's interior angle and here exterior angle. The exterior angle, it will be 72. Then we can write 360 over the measure of interior angle of exterior angle here. So you can write the measure of exterior angle 10 minus 8 equal 2 and 7. 360 divided by 72 equal be 20. Okay. Right answer again. We have 0 minus 8, we can do it. Okay. Then 360 subtract by 180. Again. No, not 20, not 20. Okay. Again. We can simplify it. 360 divided by 72 equal 5. Okay. The result will be what? 5. Okay, you must find the measure of exterior angle and then divide 360 by the measure of exterior angle, because the sum of exterior angle in any angle equals 360. Next question, number 69. Sum of measure of exterior angle in octagon equals 360. In any polygon, the sum of exterior angle, pay attention to this question, sum of interior angle, find this rule, n minus 2 times 180 by exterior angle, it will be 360 in any polygon. Okay, any polygon 360. Then the answer will be 360 here. Next question, number 20 is convex polygon with 14 diagonals has how many sides? Okay, we can write the rule d equal n times n minus 3 over 2. It's the number of diagonal. A convex has 14 diagonals. 14 equal n times n minus 3 divided by 2. 2 times 14 is 28. Okay, my students, this rule, we use it to find the number of diagonal. He give us in the example the number of diagonal 14, and he won't find n. In here, the numbers of sides. We can write the rule and write d equal 14, 2 times 14, 28, and write 28 equal n product n minus 3. And then thinking, what is the number product by number equal 28? We can write 7 product by 4. Why? 7 here, put 7, and here 7, 7. 7 minus 3 equal 4. Then the number of sides will be 7 sides. Or you can complete this example by factorizing. Right, 28 equal n product by n minus 3, and then complete 28 equal n times n in power 2 and 3 times n equal 3n, and then factorize n power 2 minus 3n minus 28 equals 0, and then factorize expression n power 2 equal n times n, and 4 times 7, 28, right here negative and here positive, then n equal negative 4 and n here equals 7. You can use by this method and tell me the number of sides in one step 7, or you can write n times n minus 3 divided by 2 and choose where is the number here. If we put, give me 28. What is the number if we put here? Give me 14. Put here 7 times 7 minus 3, 4 divided by 2, it will be 14. Okay, that's in one step. You can by the rule and put, choose A or B or C or D. We can put n equal D, then the result will be exactly. So will be letter D. Next question, a regular convex polygon with 20 diagonals and side lengths of 8 centimeter. What is the parameter? Okay, we can find the number of side by the length of each one to get parameter. So in this example, I won't find the number of sides. How we can find the number of sides? By using the rule. We know diagonal, number of diagonal equal n times n minus 3 over 2. And diagonal here, number of diagonal, he give us, we have 20 diagonals. Then we have 20 equal n times n minus 3 over 2. 2 times 20 is 40. And complete n times n minus 3. Then 40 equal 10 times 10 in power 2 and 3 times n 3n. Then we can write n power 2 minus 3n minus 40 equals 0. Then we can factorize n times n in power 2, and we have 5 product by 840, and right here negative and it's positive. N equal negative 5, it's false. We haven't undefined, we have inside negative. And n minus 8 equals 0, then the value or the length will be 8. Or you can write here 40 equal, what is the number product? Number equal 40, we have 8 times 5. Then the number of sides here will be 8. Then we can complete here to find the parameter. The parameter equal 8 product by 9 number of sides, because the length of each side 8 centimeter. 8 times the number of sides. The number of sides was 8. Then 8 times 8 equal 64. Next question. Here we want to find x. We have pentagon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The pentagon here, sum of interior angle equal 540. We can raise the rule n minus 2 times 180 to find the sum of interior angle of pentagon. Okay. Then 5 minus 2, 3. 3 times 180 equal 540. We can collect 2x plus 2x plus 2x. It will be 6x plus x, 7x, 8x. Summation all x's, it will be 7x equal 540. We can divide it by 7. 5 divided by, or can write calculator, 540 divided by 7, it will be again, not 7x, again 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8x. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8x. Okay, divided, it will be 67 and a half. Okay, in x equal 67 and a half. Okay, I will write again in the calculator here. Write 540 divided by 8 equal like this example here. Okay, this answer correct. Okay, next question. You want to find measure of angle C here. Okay, we have quadral, this quadral here, we have 4 angles inside it. First step, we can find the missing angle first. We have 130, this angle will be 50 degree, and this angle was 120, and this angle 80. We can find measure of angle C here. Okay, measure of angle C, how? First step, we can find the interior angle, because 130 plus 50, 180, these are supplementary angles. Then measure of angle C, we can find it in the quadral 120, right, 360, subtract by 120 plus 50 plus 80. This angle 80, and here 120 and 50 to find the measure of angle C inside this quadral. Then 360 subtract by 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15, right, 0 and 6 minus 5, 1, and right 1, the result will be 110. Next question, number 74, last question. You want to find the measure of angle x. Look at here, we have exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles equals 360. 4x plus 4x equal 8x, and we have 10x, 10x plus 8x equal 18x equal 360. Zx will be 20 degree. We can divide it. Okay, so finish question. Next time I will complete all this question.